Hi guys, and welcome to this video on the map function in Python. Map function is really cool. It lets you process sequences by passing each item in that sequence through a function. I want to show you it by first showing the problem that I think it solves. So we have a list of numbers here, and what if we wanted to pass all these numbers through this function and put them back into a new list or a tuple or a set or something like that. So let's go ahead and do it the normal way without using map. And this is the way I think most people might try this. So we might define a new list and then do something like this. So we'll say for p in primes, and we'll do new dot append. And then inside these parentheses here, we're going to call that function add 10 of p, like this here. And underneath, we'll print off new. Okay, there we go. So yeah, 7, 5, 11, 19, we can see they've all had 10 added to them. And this is okay, this is fine, but using map we can do this on one line and make it look much better in my opinion. So what I'll do, I'm going to just get rid of this for a second and just give you the syntax for map here underneath. So we're going to say some variable is equal to, and then whenever we use map you have to pass in a function and a sequence like this here. And it basically says what map does behind the scenes is effectively what we've done here. It just says go through this sequence and give everything from this sequence into this and then store the results. What you can do as well if you want the results back into a list is put list on the outside here. So what we'll do is we'll take this and just switch out the bits for the bits that we have. So we'll call the variable new again. List map is fine. The function we want to use is add 10. You just pass in the name of the function. You don't pass in it like that with the parentheses to call it. You just want the name of the function. And then the sequence we have is primes. And let's do print new, like this here. Alright, see what we get. Same result. So there we go. So this here has done exactly the same as this here. So you can think of them as doing basically the same thing. I just think this is a much better way of doing it. You can get it all done on a single line. And there's no harm in you passing in a built-in function here. Say I remove add 10. Let's do float. Same thing here. So this case we're saying take all these primes and map them all through the float function one by one and store those results in a list called new here. And in a nutshell, that is the map function. So if you're ever in this chance where you're having to go through a sequence and batch process all the things in that sequence by sending them through a function, just think of this syntax here. So it's always going to be like list, tuple, set, etc. Map, choose the function, choose the sequence, and that's a nice easy way of doing it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.